want to say again how proud I am of you guys. When I came in here today, I don't think I had to ask anybody to get started on their warm-ups, which is great. Okay, we're getting into the routine, which is nice. And that makes me very happy. Warm up. I'm going to go letter A. A says 2 minus -3. Plus -4. Minus -5. I know I'm very original. Now, I was saying to Aiden this morning, we were talking about the number line, okay? So if you need the number line, and you didn't get one yesterday, some more lines, probably right beside that purple binder, I think there's, might be one, I hope.
Oh, sorry,
Oh, okay, I'll find one then after for you. I know I have them somewhere. They might be in the back of that binder.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, though, so use the number line if you need to one of these ones, because this is stuff that makes it easy. Yeah? Let's find out, okay, because there's too much to do in one step for me, okay? So I gotta do it in multiple steps. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick on Aaron since he is Spider-Man. If I do -3, what's -3 mean?
-3, oh, you have to, bring it into it, no, you have to leave it.
Oh, if there's two negatives, what are two
Oh,
negatives?
it's,
Very good, so that changes to 2 plus 3. Oh, we'll keep going here now. We'll go to Alan. Alan, if I do a plus, sorry. Hero of good, not a hero of evil. Okay, if you do a plus and a minus, what does a plus and a minus make? Is it
a negative.
very good? So it's -4. Caleb, if I do 2 minuses, what does that make, please? Positive. So see, my first step I did was I just got rid of all those darn brackets. Okay, it's easier to deal with it now. Now you can either use your number line or you can just do it in your head. So here we go. Adam, I want to say Adam, right? Adam, what's 2 plus 3, please? It's going to be Quinn or Quinn?
Quinn.
It's going to be hard for me to do, so I slip my Quentin and I apologize. Okay, Quinn, what's 5 minus 4, please?
1.
Galen, what's 1 plus 5?
6.
Okay, so when this is on your test, which it will be, this will probably be like a 2 or 3 mark question, which means you got to show me a little bit of between steps. Okay, so instead of just doing the first, you're going to be going all the way down and saying, yeah, the answer is 18. Again, I don't know if that's right or not, you got to show your work in the middle. Now, please be brave and ask questions if you need to. Because this is the one, right? This is more that some people got mixed up on. I think part of the problem too, some people started multiplying here too, right?
Yeah.
Instead of that. So if there's a multiply, there'll be nothing behind the symbol, or I'll put a little X times. Okay. All right. Now let's get on to some bed maths. Haley, you can try this, or I can skip you. It doesn't matter. Okay, I can skip you and come back if you want to do this. Okay. So this is letter B. This says 2 plus. So this is intentionally difficult because I'm a mean human being. Okay, and it's okay for teachers to be mean sometimes. And this is me being mean. Alright, that looks awful. So I have brackets and brackets and brackets, okay? What's the first thing we do for bed maths? Okay, then I'll pick on you. Do you know what bed maths for grade 8? Or what it stands for? What does B stand for? Brackets. So we're going to do the brackets first. So what we do here is we're going to look at these big brackets. Then we do bed maths again inside of this. Okay? Then, so what do we do first inside of all this thing here? What do we do first?
Inside the bracket?
Yeah. So we're going to do this part inside the bracket. Okay? We've got multiplication. So then we're going to work. I can erase this. Oh no, that didn't work out as well as I wanted it to. 3 plus 4 times 2. So we're going to go inside the smallest, you know what I mean? Inside bracket, 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 and then do the times inside there. Okay, so what I did first was I looked at this big bracket, and I checked again. I looked inside the little bracket, and I did the times. Okay, so Aiden, I forgot your name for a sec. What is 4 times 2, please, Aiden?
8.
8. So this is going to be 2 plus 3 plus 8 minus 8 squared. All right, Sophie. So what are we going to do next in this big equation? Very good. What's 3 plus 8, please? Close? 11. Awesome. Okay. Remember, the whole idea about algebra here is making it easier one little step at a time. Okay, right, that's all we're trying to do, is just make it easier, simpler, 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 right, that's what you're gonna see. Liam, what's 2 plus 11, please? Trent, 13 minus 8, please. Close, 5, that's okay. It's early in the morning, I get it, don't worry, I understand, it's early in the morning. I had my oatmeal this morning, I was telling Mrs. Morris, so I'm hopefully feeling better today. All right, sorry Kevin, I almost forgot your name, Kevin. 5 squared is what, please? What does that mean?
5 times 5.
Great, what is 5 times 5, please?
25.
Awesome. Now this is, I'm almost willing to say this is almost a level 10 difficulty. This is probably a 9. I could make something worse if I wanted to, but that's what's the hardest question probably you're going to get here, okay? So let's just talk through how we did it here again, right? We look at the brackets first, so once you look at the brackets, then you do bed mass again inside, right? So then you hit the brackets again, and then you do bed mass again, and you do 4 times 2. Okay? Then you do the brackets again, 3 plus 8, 2 plus 11 minus 8, and go from there. Okay? Did that blow anybody's mind yet? You guys want one more to get yourself back into it, or you're feeling good? One more? Okay, let's throw letter C on here right now. There's a special one on here yesterday. There you go. Okay, so take your time. I know Caleb's trying to do it in his head right now. Caleb, don't do it in your head. Do not frustrate yourself like that. Don't agree, please, okay? Stop at 7. Okay, so we're starting with Riley and Mary here. Do your best here, guys. If you're stuck, you can raise your hand. We've got 3 good helpers here today, right? I want you guys to try this. You guys have been working really good so far this semester. It's okay to make your brain hurt a little bit. You're not supposed to make your brain hurt a bit. That's okay, right? It's all right. No, it's okay. If your brain hurts a little bit, that's what's supposed to happen.
No.
You want that? Is that okay? On your face? You want that close?
It's fine.
I've had some vampires before in my class. So.
Yeah.
Feeling all right? Look down this morning. All's well? Would you tell me if it wasn't? No, you wouldn't. I hope all is well, Dale, that's all.
Thanks.
Okay, I hope all is well. I hope all is well.
No, it's all good.
Okay, are you guys almost ready? Are we almost ready? See a little bit of writing, I'll wait for 30 seconds. I'm still wondering what John Cena is going to do. I'm excited here. We said he'd announce tomorrow what the event is. So. There must be a few boys who like wrestling. There must be a few boys who like wrestling. Well, my wife loves John Cena. I don't know why, but she just loves him. So. Okay, Riley, ready? What's the first thing we do here, please? First step is going to be what? The bracket. So you can start us off. It's 2 plus 3, please. Okay. Who are we going? We're going back to Aaron, please. Aaron, what's negative 4 plus 1?
And 4 plus 1 is
Negative 3, awesome. Okay, so everyone see that? We're just going to hit the brackets first. Now, again, if it is okay to have that sheet out here, I'm going to borrow this one if you don't mind. Okay, so if you need to use this sheet for the number line, you may use that, there's no problem with that. You use it on your test too, I'm not gonna be offended by that, okay? You use your times table, that's perfectly okay, alright? Alright, Alan, 5 times -3,
Negative 15.
very good. Wonderful, in fact. Okay, 5 times -3 is -15. Now we're getting some big negatives here, Caleb. I have confidence in you, you can do this. If you're starting at -15, you're getting 10 smaller, what's it gonna be?
-5.
Close.
Down to -25.
-25, okay? Okay, so remember, if they're both negative, it's like adding, right? You're adding 15 and 10 is 25 if they're both negative, so that's a big number. Okay, that's gonna be a big number. Mrs. Moore, what do you think? Are they ready to try some on their own, you think? Okay, Mrs. Moore's confident, you sound confident. Okay. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be nice again today. Everyone get into pairs, please.